Welcome to the Product Spotlight. I'm Anjali and I'm walking you through 4 new product updates, all focused on SDRX, our AI SDR that puts your outbound on autopilot. We kicked off the year with 2 powerful AI agents, the Sales Enablement Agent and the LinkedIn Agent. Both these agents are a part of SDRX and enhance its capabilities of automating an end-to-end outreach workflow. The Sales Enablement Agent generates personalized sales decks unique to each and every prospect in your campaign. It deeply researches the prospect's company and understands their challenges, pain points, customers, and competitors, and converts this into personalized slides. Next, meet the LinkedIn Agent. This AI agent completely automates your LinkedIn outreach. It does personalized outreach that feels natural and engaging using the brand's voice. It choreographs a series of thoughtfully timed steps. It views profiles, it sends connection requests, and it strategically drops a personalized message based on LinkedIn research. For messaging, it researches both internal and external data sources like the prospect's LinkedIn post, updates, professional descriptions, and turns them into relevant DMs. It prioritizes prospects who've shown intent and are most likely to engage with. It strategically spaces out the outreach activity to ensure not being flagged by LinkedIn. And finally, let's talk about what's new with SDRX Email. SDRX begins by understanding your email outreach goals for that specific prospect. This can be booking a meeting, getting a response, or engaging with them. Based on the goal, it automatically creates an email sequence for the prospect, maintains a thread, and establishes context in each email to make sure the sequence is relevant. You can preview the sequence, add emails, rearrange and switch their positions to create the best fit email sequence for your prospect. And in all these sequences, every email is hyper-personalized for the prospect and includes an embedded calendar for them to directly book a meeting. And that wraps up our product updates. To learn more about SDRX, drop a comment below and we'll get in touch with you. Book a demo now.